So finally, the last but not least, I want to talk about entry points. So what is the point of using WhatsApp Business Platform? Is no if no one can find your account and to contact. So it is very important to give a number of ways for clients to contact your business in different online environments, on the phone or even the offline world. Okay, so there are two main ways. One is organic entry points. Organically, you can generate a wa.me link. So this is a short link that will redirect user to open the WhatsApp business account directly. You can put in various places in social media like IG or Facebook posts, profiles, descriptions, story highlights, or even Twitter posts. On your company website, you can also embed these links to contact us page or homepage, header, footer, or buttons. And in terms of phone calls, you can also make use of IVRS integrations with your phone system. One use case we did was whenever a phone line is busy, you can deflect user to contact you WhatsApp by sending a business initiated message. So the user who cannot get in a call can just WhatsApp the live chat agent and continue the conversation on WhatsApp instead, which keeps your customer content with your service. Okay. Then secondly, you can also do paid entry points. So for online, if you want to generate leads and invest more money on marketing, you can do so by creating native Facebook and IG ads that has a click to WhatsApp button. So on that button, when you click on it, the events is specific in each ads, and WhatsApp will know which ads the user has clicked from. And this is perfect for you to track your ads performance and to engage your customer directly on WhatsApp. So on of finally, let me talk about offline entry points. So for offline entry points, you can actually convert your wa.me link to QR codes and place it on product package. Like or even you can place it in some out of house advertising like billboard or even news articles.